Bossed Up by Jay, and keep watching if you want to know how to make this bling rolling tray. Voila.
Damn, Jay, you gotta do it like that.
We are going to be using 2 picture frames, and these are the 8x10s from the Dollar Tree. Little candle rocks from the Dollar Tree. 2 handles, some glitter, and whatever you're going to be putting inside of the frame. Some diamond wrap. Some napkin rings. And Gorilla Glue. You're also going to need glitter cardstock. I got this from Michael's. Mod Podge, a brush, scissors, Goo Gone, and this is the image I'll be using today, the Marilyn Monroe. So first step, unwrap the picture frame. So here I already glued the cardstock together using Mod Podge, and I will be applying a thin layer of Mod Podge onto the back of the image. Press firmly onto the cardstock. Grab your bottom frame, and we are going to glue on the napkin rings. Grab your Gorilla Glue, and we are going to apply the glue halfway on the ring. Don't do it like me. I messed up. Next, we are putting Gorilla Glue all around the frame. And smooth it out. You gotta work quickly because Gorilla Glue does dry fast. I'm applying the glass onto the frame and press down firmly. Now grab the other frame and repeat the same process. Apply Mod Podge on the back of the cardstock so we can stick it onto the frame. It wasn't working for me, so I ended up using Gorilla Glue. Now I had an extra glass, and I will be using that to put on top of the picture. Now the fun part. Add whatever you want to add onto the rolling tray.
Look at the flick of that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist.
So now we are going to glue both frames together. So I am adding Gorilla Glue on top of the black frame. And then just put the top frame onto the bottom frame. Now you're going to want to cut the diamond wrap and put it wherever you want to put it. Now we are adding the glue onto the handle. And we are going to place this onto the tray. And there you go, a Marilyn Monroe rolling tray. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Later.